How to unblur or blur wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Go to the home screen preview and tap on Customize as shown. On this page, you can change the color, gradient, background photo, and more. From here, tap on the blur icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, the home screen wallpaper has been blurred. If you don't want this feature, then tap on the blur icon again to unblur it. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily unblur or blur wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.